Ever dreamed of turning your GitHub Pages site from bland text into a visual masterpiece? In this tutorial, we are diving deep into adding stunning images to your GitHub Pages website, optimizing them for top-notch performance, and making sure they look perfect on any device. First, let's explore where to store your images. You can host them directly within your repository. This means keeping your image files alongside your other website files, like your HTML or Markdown files. Create a new folder to maintain organization. For instance, create an images folder in your repository's root directory. Now, let's understand image optimization, which is crucial for page speed and user experience before uploading. Resize your images appropriately for the size they'll appear on the website. Use image compression tools to reduce file sizes without losing too much quality. Next is embedding images in your Markdown file. In your Markdown file, use the image syntax followed by the images folder and name. For example, if your image is saved in the images folder, simply insert a line into your Markdown file, referencing the exact name. These simple steps make sure the images are successfully embedded in the web page. If you're using HTML, the process is slightly different. You use the tag with the reference to your images file and the image name. Also include alternate text, which is important for accessibility and SEO. The alt text should briefly describe your image. Finally, test your website on different devices. Make sure images scale correctly for responsive design. By using these techniques, your GitHub Pages site will be ready to impress. Thanks for watching this tutorial on adding images to your GitHub Pages website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore other helpful web development tips.